Have you ever missed an important project update or a new opportunity with a company you're tracking? Today, we're diving into one of ConstructConnect Project Intelligence's most useful features, watch lists. These customizable tracking tools help you stay on top of the projects and companies that matter most to you. You can set up personalized alerts that deliver critical updates right to your inbox or notification center, ensuring you never miss an important development again. Let's get started. To access your watch lists, select the icon on the left side of the screen that looks like a star. To see your project watch list, select Project Watch List from the flyout. The project's watch list is the central location for all projects you're watching. Generally, you'll want to watch any projects for which you want to receive updates. Also note that you can select the checkbox to the left of any projects, then use the buttons at the top of the screen to perform actions such as removing the projects from your watch list or to export the job information. Be aware that even though you selected Project Watch List, you're still actually in the search screen. The list has just been filtered down to the projects you've indicated you want to watch. This means you can easily begin selecting more filters along the left to narrow this list down even further. If you want to review your company watch list, select the star icon on the left side of the screen again, and this time select Company Watch List from the flyout. This shows companies you favorited within your Predict preferences, or companies you found within projects and for which you selected the Watch button. Just as with the project watch list, you can select the checkbox next to multiple companies, and then press the buttons along the top to perform actions such as removing the companies from the watch list or exporting their information. Just as with the project watch list, the company watch list option also navigates you back to the search screen, so you can add more filters to this list as well. To determine how you'd like to receive notifications on either jobs or companies within your watch lists, you'll need to click on your name in the top right to open your main menu and select Notifications. For updates about jobs or companies in your watch list, you'll need to scroll down a bit. Once you've scrolled down to the section that says Projects on my watch list, you can choose which updates to a project will trigger notifications, and whether you're notified by email, within the Notification Center, which is this bell icon at the top right of the screen, or by both methods. Beneath the Project Watch List options, there's a section titled Companies on my watch list. Here, you can indicate if you'd like to be notified if a company on your watch list is added to a new project, and how you'll be notified. Please note that although you may have selected to watch projects or companies, you do not automatically receive updates. To receive updates, you must set up your notifications here in the Notifications screen. Now that you've set up your watch lists and customized your notifications, you'll never miss critical updates on the projects and companies that matter most. Remember to adjust your lists as your priorities change to stay ahead of new opportunities. Your proactive approach starts here.